around here a little bit better than me and Udi. You know, this is me and Udi's first time here, so we have no idea where we're going. It is so cool ripping through the woods here. These big, beautiful trees. This is also my first time ever in the state of Georgia, so look at this. There's just a motocross track tucked away in the woods. This looks awesome. And I would have never known how to get here. Thank you, buddy. Yeah, man. I really appreciate it. All right, so for practicing scrubs, this jump up here, I think is perfect. This one. Some guy was just here. I didn't get any footage of him because my GoPro battery's dead. Some guy was just here absolutely ripping on a KTM 300 two-stroke. And he was scrubbing and soaking up every one of these jumps so fast, so easily. So we asked him for some pointers. And he gave me and Udi some pointers on how to practice scrubs. This track just feels perfect for it. The jumps aren't too big. They're only like, I don't know, 40 to 50 feet long. They're not too peaky, but you have enough air time that you can practice scrubbing and soaking them up. See, I don't want to just over jump like that. Oh, I got to think about the pocket. Oh, careful. That one felt pretty decent. The main thing the guy kept telling us was like, don't force it, don't try to push the bike, like let it soak up and lean. So I'm trying to keep my body loose. Just very intimidating to try and lean off of a jump face. Woo! Nice. I probably look so stupid. I'm going to include the footage that Udi has. That one I actually felt it, dude. I like really leaned off the face. I'm trying not to just flick my butt around, but I might look like that. Alright, I'll get you, Udi. See what you got. And another great thing about this track, I don't have to shift. I can stay in one gear the entire time. It makes it super easy to just cruise around and focus on trying to scrub. Let's see a big one. That was pretty good. I just did on that uphill double, I was able to keep the bike so low. And it actually felt natural. The more you do it, the more laps you just practice it over and over again, the better it feels. Oh yeah, that's the best jump for it. I feel like my rear end just naturally slides out. Alright, that jump I might feel the best doing it. How'd you feel?
Pretty unhappy at first, but then it got a little better, and then I got tired.
Yeah, they were the best right in the middle, and then they got worse. Yeah. I felt like I looked stupid though. I'm like moving my body more than the bike.